Sharks fall into orders like carcharodontiforms, requiem sharks such as tigers and bulls, lamniforms, mackerel sharks including great whites and makos. Dolphin. A dolphin is a friendly sea animal that jumps out of the water. Dolphins talk with clicks and whistles and love to play. There are 7 species of marine turtle. Turtles don't have teeth. Some crabs, such as land crabs, undertake long migrations between land and sea to release their larvae and for juvenile crabs to return to suitable habitats. Stingrays are generally non-aggressive and sting only when threatened or provoked. Jellyfish tentacles can sometimes be longer than their body, especially in species like the lion's mane jellyfish. Percola clownfish are extremely extensively selectively bred for color. The average horse heart weighs around 9 to 10 pounds, 4 to 4.5 kilograms, much larger than a human's. Octopuses are highly intelligent cephalopod mollusks with 8 flexible arms lined by powerful suckers for grasping prey and manipulating objects. Lions are the most social big cats, living in prides of up to 30 members, where females hunt cooperatively. Male foxes are called dogs, and female foxes are called vixens. Foxes are nocturnal. Donkeys stand 36 to 56 inches at the shoulder, with tough hooves suited for rocky terrain and sure-footedness under heavy loads. Seals can slow their heart rate dramatically to conserve oxygen while diving. Giraffes are the tallest land animals with elongated necks for browsing treetops. Native to African savannas, they sport unique coat patterns. Pufferfish. Pufferfish have toxin potent enough to kill humans, making them one of the most poisonous vertebrates. Sloths spend most of their lives hanging upside down. Their digestion can take weeks to complete. Cows drink up to 100 liters of water daily, nearly the volume of a bathtub. Blue tangs help maintain healthy reef ecosystems by grazing algae, preventing coral suffocation. The common cooked lobster turns red due to proteins breaking down from heat exposure. Giant squids have eyes as large as basketballs, among the largest in the animal kingdom. Scalloped hammerheads form massive schools for mating and protection. Unlike solitary species, some juveniles tan darker with sun exposure. Dogs have an intelligence level comparable to a 2-year-old child, understanding around 250 words and gestures.